Okay, team, we're going to welcome you to the iHub Dynamic Hosting Affiliate Program. We're going to teach you how to level up and where you can own a piece of the people's network powered by Helium Track, our own proprietary software within iHub. Okay, it all starts, guys, with a free deployment of hotspots. We are a company that sells software to deploy and to manage hotspots, and we deploy hotspots for free, okay? And it's very, very simple to get started. It really just requires three things in the plan, okay? Number one is you can sign up for free, request a hotspot by creating an iHub account, okay? One iHub account. You need a person or entity to create that account, and you need a hosting real estate address, okay? Those are the three things you need to get started, okay? From there, you're going to receive an iHub hotspot. After you qualify, we only send hotspots to the best addresses. We give you all the tools to make your address the best. You earn 15% hosting commission on every HNT that miner generates, that hotspot generates for the first 90 days, okay? There will be a shipping and handling at deployment that the host will pay, okay? Now, look at that 25%. How do we go up to 25% after 90 days? So 25% of all the HNT generated from that miner or hotspot can go to that host, okay? How does that happen? Okay, we're going to talk about that in just a minute. But first, we're going to touch on the referral plan, because in the affiliate program, you can also refer others, okay? Friends, family, neighbors, businesses, and they can get their own free deployment on a hotspot, and you get a 10% referral commission for the first 90 days. So whatever that miner generates, you get 10%. You can refer as many people as you want. Okay, the host will get 15%, just like we showed you just a minute ago, in the first 90 days, with the opportunity for that host to go from 15 to 25%. Okay, after 90 days. Okay, we're going to get to that again and what you need to do that. Okay, but here's the cool part. That if you refer a person as many as you want, you can go from 10 to 20% after 90 days. And that's huge. So you can get 20% on everybody that you refer, and you go as wide as you want in the affiliate program. So how does that happen? Okay, what do we need to do to get that pay increase between the host and the referrer? Okay, it all comes with Helium Track mining assessments. Many of you are probably here. Most of you are right here because you had an assessment. So the power of 5 free claimed assessments. So give away 5 assessments, and you're off to the races. So you simply use the software. They actually have 10 credits in the free version, so you don't even need to buy anything, and you can send assessments out to your friends and family and get that 10% increase with just 5 claimed free deployment assessments. Okay, 5 claimed free deployment assessments. That means that 5 people said, yes, I want to claim this hotspot. I want to claim this real estate. And then the host goes from, gets a 10%, 15% to 25%. That's a 10% increase in pay after 90 days. In turn, because we're creating relationships here that help that host get that done to go to 25%. So they're going to be able to go from 10% to 20% with a 10% increase after 90 days. So that's the dynamics in the compensation plan, the power of 5 claim-free assessments. So very, very powerful, guys. Anybody can do this, and anybody can go to work and get this done. And then after that, you're going to build teams, right? You've already started this. So you can start with your pro team, your bronze team, your silver team, and then your gold team, okay? And that's simply by referring other people. Just by sharing mining assessments and referring other people, you start to build those teams automatically within the compensation plan. So let's take that first team. This is the first 5 personal active affiliates. That's 5 people that request a free deployment of a hotspot and get one. Those qualify you, and they're qualifying your pro team. And we already know you make up to 20%. If you work with those hosts, get those hosts to do their 5 mining assessments, claimed mining assessments, you go to 20%, and they go from 15% as the host to 25%, okay? Plus, there's a pro team code match. There's another bonus in the pro team that we're going to address at the very end of this presentation, but there's 2 main ways that you get paid on your first 5, your pro team, and that's through up to a 20% referral commission and a pro team match, okay? Once you filled that team, that means you've got 5, you go on to your 6th person, you begin to build your bronze team, Okay. And that's the next 10 personally active affiliates. So again, somebody requests a free miner. They have a great address. They work on their address. They get free deployment. And the next 10 slots, you earn up to 20% again on a referral commission. And plus you get a 5% bronze code. Remember that code match in the pro team? And it's going to start to make sense here towards the end. But you actually get a 5% code match as well on the next 10. And it starts with number 6. I'm showing you the whole team here, but it starts with number 6 is your bronze team. Okay. After you've built out your bronze team, you're going to move on to a silver team. Okay. Again, up to 20% referral commission, depending on how you work with your personals, right? You work with those personal hosts. They're just a host right now. They haven't referred anybody, and you work with them, and they can get up to 15% to 25% with 5 claimed mining assessments. And you actually go up to 20%. But on top of the 20%, up to 20%, you can earn an additional 10% silver code on all 10 of your slots in your silver team. Again, this starts with the first one. So it starts with number 16, okay? But it goes through the next 10 slots, okay? So you got 25 people in your team now, and you're moving on to gold. So your 26th referral, it would start your gold team with unlimited gold referrals. So there's not 10 slots, there's 100 slots, 200 slots, whatever you want on the gold team. And you make up to 20% referral commission, again, working one-on-one with your personally sponsored. And you get a 15% gold code on top of that on all your personally sponsored, okay? So there's a team of 10, and it goes on to infinity. You can have as many as you want here, okay? Starts with your 26. There's always a race to gold, okay? So let's look at the team structure, kind of an overview slide of what it looks like now, okay? Here's you, and here's your pro team. Those are your first 5. Now I'm going to go through this. 10 to 20% referral commission. We've covered that. You start at 10 for the first 90 days. You can go up to 20 if you help these people, these personally referred, go and get 5 claimed assessments in the Helium Track software, okay? 5 claimed assessments will give them a pay raise and give you a pay raise. And you get an up to 25% code match, which we're going to talk about in a few minutes, and up to 20% on your personals, just like we just talked about, okay? Bronze team. Okay, and your bronze team, you get 10 to 20% referral commission, the same thing, right? Depending on what you do with your personals. And you get a 5% code. So you get up to 25% on all of these people. That's incredible. 25% of all the HNT that your bronze team generates on your personals goes to you, okay? If you work with them and get them to do their 5 mining assessments, okay? Okay, on your silver team, it's 10 to 20% plus a silver code, so you're up to 30% on all 10 of these boxes, these personals that you have placed out there. And then obviously the gold team is up to 35% because 20% potential in referral commission plus 15% gold code, up to 35% on all your personals. Again, starts with number 26 and goes to infinity. You could have 100 people in your goat. 35% on your personals. That's incredible, guys. Okay. So if it was this, it would be an unbelievable compensation model for us to follow. Is a 1-level compensation plan, but it gets even better than this. Okay. Because there's a leverage component here that we haven't even talked about yet. So up to 20% on all your personals, up to 25% because of that 5% bronze code. Starts with number 6, 7, all the way through the next 10 slots, okay? But what are these folks going to do? These folks are going to go out there with their 5 free mining assessments that have already been claimed, right? Because you're working with them, right? And they're going to begin to bring in their people. Okay, their pro team. Those are blue guys for them, right? And what happens is on that, when they bring in their pro teams, those roll up to your front line. Again, I said it's a 1-level comp plan. It really is a 1-level comp plan. These are all just rolling up to your front line. So this gentleman brings in his 5 right away. Okay, they're all rolling up to you. And it just continues and continues forever. So it just gets wider and wider and wider. And on those roll-ups, you get that 5% bronze code. You don't get the referral commission because you didn't refer them. Somebody else referred them. The people below you referred them. So they're getting that referral commission, but you're getting that 5% code. It just continues to roll up. You inherit the first 5 forever, okay? Now, the same exact dynamic begins to happen on your silver team. You have up to 30% because you have a 20% potential referral commission, okay? But you also have a 10% silver code here. So you're going to bring in the next 10, okay? And they're going to do the same exact thing. They're going to roll up to you, okay? Now this roll up is a 10%, not a 5% code. It's a 10% code. So you get 10% silver code to infinity on the first 5 of everybody. You don't know who these people are. They could be anywhere in the world, but they continue to roll up to your front line. Okay. Now we talked about gold, how powerful gold is. Gold is where the big leverage is, up to 20% referral commission. And it's 35% because there's a 15% gold code on all your personals. And you can continue to go wide with these. Okay. I'm showing 10 here, but you can go as wide as you want. Okay. These roll ups just continue, just like the dynamic on the bronze and silver team. The first 5 forever, even these people you don't know, rolled up to you, they still have to get their 5. It just continues to roll up and roll up and roll up forever. And on this code, you're at 15% forever. Okay. So you can personally enroll at 35% in your gold team if you help them get their 5 mining assessments. And when you understand the power of 5 in this compensation plan, you're going to want to do this with every personal that you have. So very, very powerful, guys. Race to gold as fast as you can. And every single time you deploy a free deployment, it counts towards qualifying you in the compensation plan. So let's touch on this pro team again. Okay, the pro team, again, we already know that we get 10 to 20%, but here's what happens. On your pro team, you have 5 people, okay, 5 people. On those 5 people, they're going to start to build their organization, and eventually, hopefully, they're going to get it to the bronze code, the silver code, the gold code, and they're going to get a part of their commission is going to be a code, part of that code, that 5%, that 10%, that 15%, not the referral commission, not the hosting commission, just the code. And so when you're a pro and you're going to get 10% of whatever those 5 people do in the code. So if somebody makes 100 HNT and you're a pro, you're going to get 10%. So if Bob, Sally, Joey, Karen, and Rick are in those first 5 right there, you're going to get matches on all those people. Okay. Now, once you get to bronze, okay, you open up your 6th person, you're bronze, you'll get a pay increase on all 5 of these, matching their code check. You go to 15%. Okay. Once you reach silver, you get 20% on all these 5. And once you reach gold, you get 25%. Again, that 26th person, okay, gives you a pay increase on your first 5 people. Whatever they make in their code commission, you get a match up to 25% of that. Very, very powerful. So guys, in the end, kind of a quick summary slide. This is what your team looks like. This is what happens in the compensation plan. You're basically just rolling people up. You're building a 1-level flatline compensation plan, inheriting people in each one of these teams, and they get wider and wider and wider. And you just continue to inherit. Now you inherit 5% code on the bronze team, 10% code on the gold or silver team, and 15% on the gold team. Just keeps wider and wider, guys. And so very, very powerful leverage to the 10th degree right here, guys, if you understand it. And one thing I want to mention as we close, Viva Kids, an organization I founded after coming off the mission field for 10 years. And we're passionate about it. We have over 300 kids, 400 kids in the Dominican Republic right now. And 1% of all of our proceeds go to serve these kids. And we're going to have vacations with a future and purpose, vacations with a purpose down at the DR in the future. But check out vivakids.org, get involved, help us support those kids. Nothing we can build all the wealth in the world, but unless we share it with others, it really doesn't make a difference. So, all right, God bless you guys. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you soon.